Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use formula to check in Excel to check whether the entries in different cells of two columns are matching with each other or not. And this is quite easy. We just need to use a simple formula. You see here I have created two different texts. In, in column A, I put a set of names, and in column B, I put another set of names, and I want Excel to check whether the names in different cells of the two columns are matching or not. For that, I just need to enter a simple formula. I enter an equal. So this equal tells Excel that I'm using a formula, and then I use the name of the cells, which is A1, and then I put another equal and put the name of the cell. Now the second equal sign after A1 tells Excel to match the entries in A1 with the entries in B1. So I enter it, and then I select this and I drag this down to the last cell, and you see Excel automatically checks whether the names in the given cells are matching with each other or not. So for matching, it gives true like this one. And for you see here Sabir and Sabir, so the two entries in the two columns are matching, therefore it gives true. And where they are unmatched, Shaheen and Shireen, so it gives false in the same for the rest of the entries. And this is not only limited to the text entries, the same can be used for numbers or for real numbers. For example, I want to check the here, so I add an equal for entering the formula, and then I enter E1 and then equals F1, and then I drag this down to all the rest entries. You see, it gives true where the entries in column E and F are same, and it gives false for unmatched entries. So this way you can check the entries in the two columns, in the cells of the two columns, where they are matching with each other or not. And thanks for watching.